AI isn't coming for your job. It's already here, and it's not taking the jobs you expect. While everyone worried about robots replacing factory workers, AI quietly started replacing lawyers, doctors, and artists. The apocalypse isn't a single event, it's a quiet revolution. The AI revolution is restructuring the job market in unexpected ways. We're moving from a world where automation focused on manual labor to one where it targets cognitive tasks. This shift changes the entire calculus of job security. Today, we're examining which careers are actually at risk, which are surprisingly safe, and how to navigate a job market where artificial intelligence is increasingly capable. By the end, you'll know how to position yourself for success in the AI-driven economy. The biggest surprise of the AI revolution is its proficiency in white-collar knowledge work. AI excels at handling massive datasets, identifying patterns, and generating complex text or images, tasks once considered the exclusive domain of highly educated professionals. The earliest and most visible impact is on jobs focused on content generation. Writers and editors, large language models, LLMs, can now draft articles, reports, marketing copy, and basic code faster and cheaper than humans. The threat isn't to creative narrative writing, but to volume content like procedural articles and initial drafts. Graphic designers and illustrators. Tools like Midjourney and DALL-E can generate high-quality images and art in seconds based on a text prompt. This is already challenging entry-level and commercial artists, commodifying their skills. Musicians and composers, AI can generate background scores and specific genre tracks, making jobs like composing royalty-free library music increasingly vulnerable. AI's ability to process and synthesize information is fundamentally changing professions defined by research and analysis. Legal research and paralegals. AI can review millions of legal documents, discovery, in minutes, a task that used to take teams of junior lawyers and paralegals weeks. Financial analysts and accountants. AI is excellent at anomaly detection, trend forecasting, and automating tax preparation. The entry-level analyst role, based on spreadsheet manipulation and data aggregation, is highly susceptible. Radiology and diagnosis. AI algorithms are now matching or exceeding human accuracy in diagnosing diseases from medical scans, like mammograms or X-rays. While the doctor's job isn't gone, the diagnostic component is being automated. The common thread here is that any job relying primarily on data processing, pattern recognition, and predictable output generation, tasks that seemed uniquely human, is now vulnerable to rapid AI adoption. While AI masters the digital world, it struggles with the complexity of the physical world and the nuance of human interaction. This is where job security lies. The jobs that require real-world, non-standardized problem-solving remain safe for now. Plumbing, electrical work, and HVAC. AI can't easily navigate an old, cramped crawl space, diagnose a leak in a wall, or handle the physical manipulation of tools and materials in unpredictable environments. These roles require physical dexterity, spatial reasoning, and improvisation. Construction and infrastructure. While robots can lay bricks, supervising a construction site, dealing with supply chain delays, and ensuring safety requires human oversight and negotiation. Mechanics. Diagnosing complex car issues involves touch, sound, and often non-linear troubleshooting that AI is still poor at. AI has no emotional context, empathy, or lived experience, making jobs centered on human-to-human connections secure. Therapists and counselors. The core value here is the therapeutic alliance, a relationship of trust and emotional safety that an LLM cannot replicate. Childcare and elder care. Caring for the vulnerable requires compassion, spontaneous decision-making, and the physical presence of a reliable human being. Education. While AI can grade papers and tutor, The core job of a teacher is inspiration, mentorship, and classroom management, all dependent on emotional intelligence. Jobs where the variables are constantly changing and the stakes are highest require human judgment and accountability. Emergency response, firefighters, police. These jobs require split-second decisions under extreme stress with incomplete information, a major weakness for current AI. Executive leadership and politics. Setting vision, motivating teams, negotiating complex treaties, and handling public crises require accountability and deep human understanding. The principle here is, if your job requires unpredictable physical interaction, high-stakes moral judgment, or genuine emotional connection, it is relatively secure. The question is not how to hide from AI, but how to work with it. The future job market will reward those who master human-AI collaboration. Instead of fearing displacement, view AI as a powerful new tool. The enhanced professional. The lawyer who uses AI for discovery will outperform the one who doesn't. The doctor who uses AI for diagnostic assistance will be more accurate than the one relying solely on memory. AI won't take the doctor's job, but a doctor who uses AI will take the job of one who doesn't. Focus on the last mile. Let AI handle the first 80% of the work, data gathering, initial drafts. The human's value is in the final 20%, editing, contextualizing, applying ethical standards, and customizing the output for the specific human client. As repetitive tasks are automated, the market value of uniquely human skills skyrockets. Emotional intelligence, EQ. The ability to read a room, manage conflict, motivate a diverse team, and sell a vision. Creativity and originality. AI is great at generating novelty based on existing data, but it cannot generate truly original concepts that defy training data. This remains the domain of human creativity. Critical thinking and ethical judgment. AI can present options, but only a human can apply a moral framework to make a final decision, such as allocating scarce resources or setting company policy. The only predictable thing about the AI job market is change. Adopt a T-shaped skill set, maintain deep expertise in one domain, the vertical part of the T, but develop broad proficiency in AI tools, data literacy, and programming basics, the horizontal part. Identify growth industries. Jobs that build, maintain, and secure AI are exploding. Prompt engineering, AI ethics, data governance, and machine learning infrastructure will create millions of new high-value roles. The AI job apocalypse isn't a sudden, catastrophic event. It's a gradual transformation that rewards human skills machines can't replicate. Automation is simply raising the floor of what's considered valuable work. It's taking the drudgery and leaving the creativity, the compassion, and the complex judgment to us. The question isn't whether AI will take your job, but how you'll work with AI to do your job better. Adapt your skills now, embrace human-AI collaboration, and remember, in a world full of smart machines, being uniquely human is the ultimate career security.